Upgrade your ride with the Viofo A229 Pro Dash Cam. Camera with flash 4K plus 2K dual cameras. Capture every detail with front 4K and rear 2K resolution. Glowing star Sony Starvis 2 sensors. Clear day and night footage. Perfect for license plate reading. Locked 24/7 protection. 3 parking modes with auto event detection. Buffering for key moments. Microphone voice control. Hands-free commands for easy management on the go. Mobile phone 5 GHz Wi-Fi and app control. Fast setup and video sharing via the Viofo app. Satellite precision GPS. Tracks your location with GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS. Counterclockwise arrows button loop recording and emergency lock. Automatic file management and collision protection. Wrench anti-glare CPL. Reduces reflections for clearer footage. Hammer and wrench 18-month warranty. Register for extended support. Light bulb note. No SD card included. Opt for Viofo's high-endurance cards, 64 GB to 512 GB. Get yours today and drive with confidence.